Towels are one of those things that we use every single day. Unfortunately, towels get wet and hang in warm, steamy bathrooms, which turns out is the ideal breeding ground for bacteria and fungus. But why are we cleaning up just to dry off with a musty towel that hasn't been washed in days? Introducing Silvon Towels. Silvon Towels combine soft, absorbent, organic cotton with pure silver to naturally eliminate bacterial growth on your entire towel. The result? A towel that never gets musty, requires less laundry, and can provide critical benefits to your skin and health.
Silver is one of our planet's most remarkable materials.
It naturally carries a positive charge that is attracted to bacteria, destroying it before it has the chance to reproduce.
So we thought, why not use silver to improve something we all use every day? Our microfine fibers are carefully coated with pure silver and proven to eliminate up to 99% of bacteria. These silver fibers are then twisted with the softest organic cotton we could find to create a super plush, self-cleaning towel.
From beautiful design to material sourcing, we set out to create a towel that looks and feels as great as it performs. Our organic cotton is soft, absorbent, and the perfect fit for sensitive skin. Unlike similar products, all of our designs rely entirely on natural materials. We don't use any harsh chemicals or treatments. And because the silver is woven right into our fabrics, the antimicrobial properties will last a lifetime. Last year, Kickstarter helped bring Silvon bedsheets to life, so we're super excited to expand our products into something else that we all use every day. All we need is your help to bring this product to life. So stop drying off with dirty towels and make the switch to Silvon, the only towels that stay clean thanks to pure, natural silver.
I'm actually a family doctor, and back in 2007, I was having trouble getting back to sleep late at night because patients would call me and then I would be up and I would be thinking about stuff. So I wanted to listen to some relaxing music. My husband found me some great songs to listen to, and I tried headphones, but they're bulky and you can't sleep on your side. And then I tried earbuds and they just hurt my ears. We sat down one night and we made all different kinds of prototypes, and we actually sewed thin speakers into a soft, stretchy headband.
Listen to soothing nature sounds, guided meditation, audiobooks, or simply relaxing music. Choose from our signature Sheep Cloud fleece and our cool lightweight breeze fabric, available in extra small, one size fits most, and extra large. The speakers inside are fully adjustable to suit your unique head shape. Our products have been featured in many large national publications, including CNN, The Huffington Post, Sound and Vision, USA Today, and Wired, as well as many others. Our products have won numerous accolades for product design and innovation. Over the last 3 years, we've been presented with 4 Consumer Electronics Show awards for design and engineering. In 2015, we were also presented with a Red Dot Product Design Award. Sleep phones are the world's most comfortable, bed-friendly headphones. With sleep phones, listening to audio in bed is now a dream come true.
We spend on average 8 times more time in our beds than in our cars. But for some reason, our cars have climate control and can now park and drive themselves, while our beds have stayed the same for hundreds of years. At Smart Duvet, we believe it's time for our beds to catch up to the 21st century. Introducing the Smart Duvet Breeze, the world's first dual-zone, climate-controlled, self-making bed. Well, possibly the single biggest innovation in our bedrooms in the last 100 years. In addition to making the bed for you, the Breeze lets you select your preferred temperature for each side of the bed independently using the smartphone app, avoiding all future arguments about room temperature. We were able to achieve both climate control and self-making bed features through our patent-pending inflatable sheet placed seamlessly between your duvet and duvet cover. No more sweaty nights spent regulating your body temperature by leaving a leg out of the duvet. It's time we give sleep the attention it deserves. We all know that a good night's sleep will leave us happier, healthier, and more productive. In 2016, Smart Duvet amazed the world by introducing the first app-controlled self-making bed. This year, we wanted to make Smart Duvet even better by doing more than making the bed for you. We wanted to improve your nights as well. That's how the Smart Duvet Breeze was born. You and your partner can benefit from a better night's sleep by individually adjusting the temperature with your smartphone. You can even refresh or preheat your bed a few minutes before sleep to enjoy the perfect temperature when you get in bed. The Breeze is also a great way to reduce your energy consumption by heating and cooling your body directly instead of the entire house. It will also eliminate arguments over room temperature or who will have to make the bed. Keeping your sheets dry and oxygenated will also eliminate potential dust mites and germs from the bed. Truly innovative and futuristic products like the Breeze need the vision and support of the crowdfunding community to come to life. We thank you for your support, without which we would not exist.
Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing SpinX, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. SpinX was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets clean. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, SpinX returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. SpinX operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. SpinX is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. SpinX, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
Hi, my name is Ariel.
And I'm Hila. We have 4 children and we hate to clean the toilet.
That's why we created SpinX. We've built an amazing team of engineers and designers, and we've created a smart product that saves time and effort.
We've completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers. Now we are ready to make the last adjustments and go to production. In order to bring SpinX to families and businesses around the world, we need your support to produce SpinX at an industrial scale. Thank you.